What is up, everybody? It's Braden here from MotorBiscuit, and while we're here at SEMA in the Las Vegas Convention Center, there's a lot to look at. However, there's a pretty awesome operation that you can't see from above ground. Right behind me is the entrance to the Vegas Loop, which is an underground system of public transport of all Tesla vehicles, and we're gonna go check it out and go for a ride. Welcome to the Las Vegas Loop Central Station. It's here at the Las Vegas Convention Center, and it's a bit like a subway blended with an Uber, and best of all, here at SEMA, it's free. The Las Vegas Loop was not built by Tesla, it just was built by the Boring Company, which is another Elon Musk project. If you've heard the name, it's probably because you're familiar with the flamethrower kits that they used to sell. This whole three-station system has about 1.7 miles of tunnel, and remarkably only took about a year to build, drilling out the tunnels with this giant drill bit here, or probably several of them. The Vegas Loop tunnel system first opened in April 2021 for the Mika motorcycle auctions and has been happily transporting people ever since. In fact, the Boring Company reports that at CES last year, between 14 and 17,000 people were transported using the Vegas Loop, an average wait time of only 15 seconds at the station. While if you were to walk from the south station to the west station, it would be about 45 minutes of walking. You can hop in one of these Teslas through the 1.7-mile journey underground. Will only take about 2.5 minutes. If something like this became standard in pretty much every major metropolitan area, it would offer a great opportunity for a lot of people who don't have cars, ways to work around town. And as long as they keep the same formatting and the same nice drivers and pleasant conversations, we have to say we're pretty excited about this version of the future. Now, I'm sure you guys are tired of me talking about it and telling you all the specs and explaining everything and how it happened, so I'm going to drag this sentence out a little bit longer, but then we're going to hop in one of these Teslas and take a ride underground to the Las Vegas Convention Center. And that's it. That's how you ride the Las Vegas Loop. It's a free Tesla ride from the convention center, either south or west, and it's a good time. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at MotorBiscuit Official and on Twitter at Biscuit Motor. And for anything and everything automotive, visit MotorBiscuit.com. Until next time, I'm Braden Carlson, and we'll see you in the next video.